Ever noticed aircraft propellers aren't fully black, but have bright colored tips? Many think it's to scare birds away, but that's only partly true. The real reason is safety. When a propeller spins, it becomes almost invisible. The bright tips make it visible to ground crew and pilots, so no one walks into it by mistake. It also helps engineers spot cracks or imbalance during inspection. So yes, those colored tips do look cool, but they're actually lifesavers on the ground. The bright colors can even help birds see and avoid the spinning prop. Smart, right?